What's going on YouTube?
Don't post this on YouTube. Just say that we're not driving our cars today.
You just exposed us by speaking.
Oh!
Hey. Alright, what's going on YouTube?
Can I back it up?
I won't say this will be the brightest video we have
I gotta go
on
straight.
the channel.
Keep going forward.
Okay.
But we're in Statesboro, Georgia. And
Alright, stop.
some things happened.
No, stop!
Some things happened
No!
to our little 350 twin.
Hi guys. New car, switched it out.
Well, I guess you gotta go straight back and then.
He capping, but it's okay.
Here's somebody.
Well, in today's video, we're just doing everything and nothing. You got my boy Chris over here. This is my dog, man. This is my dog.
That's how Justin be. Hey guys, I'm over here. That's how you be looking at the camera.
You know what I'm saying? I just be talking. We got why is this hood up? Let's steal some specs.
Put this in.
Here, put what in? Put what in?
Put this in, boy.
Oh, hold up.
Put this in.
I wasn't ready for that.
One more.
Put it in, bro. I don't know if I can do that. But we got nappy drips over here. We got our fallen warrior temporarily. Asa underscore G33. It's not. Shut up.
My car is fast.
We got some work going on for this car too. As you can see, it's not a regular DE. It's not just stank. It's boosted. If you want. Oh.
It's not the first one.
And best of all, the main project we have going on right now is a current operation, a car under the knife, literally. And you got Noah over here with beautiful, just beautiful guys out here. And you got a slow DE, slow rev up at that, but it's cool. But yeah, man, we're doing a lot of things today. I'm gonna try to make the video as short as possible, but mainly it's gonna be about the wrap on Nick's G35. As you can see, we're working on right here and back. Been working on it for a couple days. We're gonna see if we can finish it today. Let's get started. Right now, what we're currently working on is taking off the spoiler.
The core panel.
Got fish hook line, or maybe, I don't know, maybe thread. We're pulling it off because it's double-sided. So, getting all that stuff done so we can get this side prepped and ready for wrap. Hi, Yusuf. What's going on? This is the swole guy over here. Dougie? Ooh! Too much shots.
You gotta put it in the background.
I gotta put the shot. I gotta put.
Dougie in the background. You gotta do it.
Yeah. All right. I got you.
Yeah. There's the
Alright, it's only been about an hour. God, the sun is just slapping me across my forehead. But it's only been about an hour. I've done the trunk so far.
This can be kind of loose.
Getting the quarter panel done right there, as you can see. And the only thing we have left is going to be the rear bumper that's sitting on this side, way over there, and the spoiler. And we'll be done wrapping the entire car. Obviously, we've been doing it for a couple of days because some stuff was already done. Yeah, I did. Yeah, I did.
No, leave that in the video too.
Yeah, I'm gonna leave it. Cause I did.
Hey, shit,
What I did. What I did.
What you you took the backing off. You took one backing off.
I did this. I had to take this off. I had to take off this door panel. What else I did?
You got a little tension.
I helped wrap that last night.
Put me in there.
Alright, car's almost completely put back together. The only thing left to wrap is the rear bumper, which they're working on now. I'm about to head out and leave and take my 3-hour journey back home. Hope you guys enjoyed this video a lot. Next video will be the actual reveal of what the car looks like, completely finished and completely wrapped. I will catch you guys in the next one. You guys stay easy. It's starting to get cold. Get your hoodies and don't get them stolen or whatever you guys get done to them. And I'll talk to you in the next one. Peace out.
This is a happy end, 'cause you don't understand everything you have done. Why is everything so wrong? This is a happy end. Come